Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to fold a new type of origami frog. Here at HeapArt, we're trying to encourage people to connect more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be delivering something new every single week. I called this model a new type of origami frog because I've never seen it before. I wasn't even able to find diagrams on the internet regarding this. But then again, how would you search for origami diagrams specifically for some variation of a model? I stumbled across this on a channel called YK Crafts. If you have a chance, please check it out. It's special because it starts off using the traditional jumping frog, and there's a new alteration to the legs. For someone who's familiar with different types of traditional origami frogs, this is really an interesting piece. So please enjoy the clip. And our new type of origami frog is complete. As you can see, when compared to the traditional origami jumping frog, there is no spring in the back. However, without the spring, it can still jump really well. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be creating more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Click left for more paper airplanes, click right for more awesome origami like this.